Hello guys, now see this stock Ashok Leyland. It is forming some sort of a flag and pole kind of a pattern. So if it gives a breakout above 134.1, then only we will initiate for buy side trading, or else we will try to sell this stock below 124.1. Okay. If the stock goes below 124, then we will initiate a sell side trade, and if the stock crosses this resistance line, then we will go for a buy side trade above 132. But let the stock break the resistance from the downside, not like a gap up opening sort of be treated here. So we should let the stock go above this high from the downside, not like the stock opens here and then comes down. No, this will not work in the share market. Okay, thank you for watching.